The Easter Bunny can... Goosey! Oh my goodness! Look what the Easter Bunny brought you. Go get him. Let's put him in your basket.
Where's the dove?
Get the eggs, Goosey. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
There's another one, honey.
There's another one.
Look how many eggs the bunny brought you. Here, Goosey, put them in your basket so you can have some more. There you go. Look at that.
Good job, Goose.
You saw more? Oh my goodness. Look how many eggs the Easter Bunny brought you. Yay!
Good job.
Oh, this egg.
Oh my goodness,
Wow.
he was busy.
See any more?
What's here? Here. Here, Mom.
Goosey, another egg.
Another egg.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Another egg.
Good thing they're hard boiled.
Look.
Look at all these eggs.
There's another egg here.
Mhm.
What does that one have on it? Is that a heart? And that one has an S on it. Is that for Scarlet?
Another egg here.
Oh my goodness, Goosey.
Let's go find it.
Okay.
Why?
Ow.
Naughty boy.
Egg on the floor.
Look at him last year.
Goosey, another egg. That has a T on it. What's T for?
There's another egg here.
Scarlet, what's T for?
T.
For
Tennyson.
Tennyson. That's right.
Mm. Whew,
That one
hard
has
work.
a heart on it.
Yes. Right.
Mhm.
Look. There's another one.
There's another one with an S on it.
This has a. This has a.
Looks like there's. I think
That one
that's.
has a bunny.
Well, I think that's the last one. That was the prize one.
Goosey!
Hooray, Goosey! Good job.
Yay!
You say thank you, Mr. Easter Bunny.
Can you eat the bunny? Let's go back home.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye bye, Grandma.